operating a motorcycle.
Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Slav Squad here. So we're waiting right now for Peter. We're at the mountain of the Spokaneans, and got some Power Wheels boys back here. We're about to have some fun with these things. And if you haven't seen already, we got rubber on the front wheels now on all of these bad boys. All three of them have rubber, and it's gonna be me, Peter, and Chris, and we're about to bomb this hill. The man's brought the short shorts and everything. Look at that.
What are you doing over here, dude?
Dude, I'm hiding from Bigfoot. Like there was a scare earlier. What are you doing? Freaking tweakers, bro! I swear. I'm all trying to like hide from Bigfoot, and they're out here causing a commotion. Sick, dude. I gotta put my key in, start my engine. Your hood is sticking out. You're about to block the windshield. You ain't gonna see nothing soon. Your hood is popping off.
The front, it's gonna. Oh, chill.
Took a wipe out, dude. That felt great. Damn, ruined my nice pants, dude. His wheel. Oh, he fixed it. He's good, bro. Damn, dude. Are you okay? That's why I was like, should I hit him or not? And you did it before I can even hit you. Oh, shit. Nice.
That hurt. Help me, dude. That actually hurt kind of a lot. Oh. Oh.
That's so close. Dude, everybody that drove by us so far is just like, yeah!
I don't care because there's no motor in it.
Alright, we're gonna attach the rope to the pit bike, to the go-kart, and guess who's gonna be the one doing it? Obviously me.
Oh, the sheriff's up there, or the park ranger's up there. We're not doing anything.
Huh?
We're not doing anything.
I don't know, we're loading up. Let's see what he's gonna say.
You got a rope on the back of this?
How are you guys?
What's going on here?
Having some fun?
We're debating on it, but we're debating on it.
If you give us permission, we can have the...
You're not gonna have permission. So who was operating the motorcycle? No one.
We didn't operate the motorcycle.
Okay, who was operating these other vehicles here?
These ones, we were just playing around right here.
I already was told that you all had been pulling these vehicles, these little plastic toy vehicles here. Those were being pulled around.
No, we didn't pull anything around with it. We just hooked that up right now, but we're gonna do it somewhere else.
Do you have your license? Do you have your license? So what were you guys doing here?
We were just playing with those. That's it.
Which ones were you playing with?
The plastic toys.
Okay. I'm asking because you show up, you got a helmet on, you have a motorcycle rope attached to your plastic toys.
Yeah, but we didn't ride that. You would have heard us if we rode that. That thing's loud.
Okay. All right.
We came from somewhere else, and we were gonna go to a parking lot somewhere else.
Okay, so I know you guys have been here for a couple hours. So I remember this truck.
Yeah.
Pulling in as we were going down the hill, just as we were parking at the office.
Yeah.
So I remember the truck coming up. So you've been here for a little while.
Yeah, we've been here for probably an hour and a half or so.
Yeah. All right, you guys mind holding tight for me real quick?
Sure.
All right, thanks.
He thinks we rode the motorcycle.
I know. He thinks we're on the motorcycle.
He's trying to get us to admit we rode the motorcycle, which we didn't.
What would have been really funny is we were almost done.
Yeah.
So you're good to go. So a couple different things. All right. So in state parks in general, unless you are in an off-road vehicle area, you cannot operate an ATV, a dirt bike. You can go down to Spokane, put your gear on, go ride. There's an ORV park down there. That's where you'd want to go do that. I wouldn't be towing these vehicles behind it. That's not safe either.
Question though, is it illegal to ride those, to just roll those down the hill without? There's no motor. There's nothing at all. It's just cruising down the hill. This hill.
So this hill, yes, because you're using that vehicle in the roadway. Everybody good here? Any questions?
No, we're good.
All right. So enjoy the rest of your night. Be safe. Be smart.
Yes, sir.
And have fun.
All right, thanks.
Just pulled up to the car. See if he gave me a ticket or not.
Oh, sick. No freaking ticket. That's surprising. We're going out for a pit bike race, apparently. Boy hooked it up. I don't know who this is. Boy found him online somewhere. See, pit bike race. And we're about to see what's going on here. We're kind of late by like 35 minutes or so. Well, we'll find out. There's a lot of people here, dude.
Yeah, holy crap.
I don't know if I fit in. Everybody's with like Hondas and Kawasaki's. We're at the track right now. This is kind of what it looks like. It's a pretty cool track. It's big. It's like really long. Bro,
I'm so jealous.
they're trying to screw us over with the banana peel.
I think they had Mario Kart out here earlier.
Did they?
Yeah. They're all like booted up and shit, bro. I have like vans.
Not everybody. This guy's like us, just khaki pants and just chilling. What are your thoughts, Peter?
I'm scared.
I'm a little scared too. I can tell by just looking at some of the riders here that they're gonna be pretty damn fast.
Well, you better go get practicing then.
I know. Let's get out of here, dude. Let's go. dude, these tires are not good.
I know.
I'm like slipping everywhere. Dude, I'm so tired. From 2.5 laps, it's crazy.
Try Slavic's bike out.
Dude, this bike feels so much different. Like your steering is a lot softer. Yeah. That was super embarrassing, bro.
It didn't look embarrassing. It just looked like a heavy bit. Slavic's ready to go mob right now. He's gonna win. I know it. I feel it.
My arms hurt so much.
I feel it. You gotta get through the pain.
Slavic's in third. Not too bad of a start. This is my first time racing.
Oh well, that'll happen.
Haven't seen Slavic in a while. Yeah, I think he disappeared. Took a break or something. Took a break mid-race. For real.
He's a guy to take a dump.
Take the dump right in the race.
Post-race interview. Why were you so slow, sir? Please, can you give us an update?
I fell twice. And I can't feel my hands.
Dude, you were so good in the start.
I know, but I fell and then I lost all my energy. I could not feel my arms anymore.
Bro.
I just pulled off. I was like, oh, I'm done.
Bro, you gotta live through it, bro. You were in third in the beginning. Come on, man.
Oh, well.
Come on, man. Joe Biden meme.
Come on, man.
Hey, we'll get a next one, right? We'll get a next one, first place.
If I was to race like Evan or anybody like that, C-Boys, I would get destroyed. Alright guys, we've come to the end. My arms freaking hurt. This is the first time racing for me, and that was not easy. I lasted... Pussy. I'd say something, but he's a cripple. I don't want to be mean. But I lasted like a lap and a half, 2 laps in third place. I ate crap. All confidence gone.
Was she satisfied?
She was satisfied.
You only lasted, what, 2 laps?
2 rounds?
2 rounds?
That's how well you can use it for 2 rounds, okay? In the ocean.
Alright, bro.
Anyways, that's gonna end this video off, and we'll see you guys in the next one. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the video to friends, and don't forget to follow us on our other channels, TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat. Follow Crown Performance on Instagram, link in the description below. We'll see you guys next time. What's your Instagram? I'll shout it out on our YouTube channel.
Okay, it's the Pit Mini Moto.
The Pit Mini Moto, guys. So thanks for letting us come out to your track, man. This place is legit. So
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for coming.